Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to font size and style here, and here click on font size. This is the font size option. Just you can move the pointer to the right side for increasing font size. Okay, if you move to the rightmost side, this is the very big size, big font size in your phone. See here, font size font size has been increased to very big. See here, it is increased to very big size. If you want to decrease font size, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again go to the same settings and click on font size and style. Now you have to move the cursor to the left side for decreasing font size. Third one will be the default font size, and leftmost will be very small size. See here, small size is now applied, and see the changes in your phone. Font size is very small. If you want to set back to default font size, yes, again you can do it. Just go to the display again, and here go to font size and style, and fix the pointer to the third one, and it will set to the default font size. So in this way you can easily change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.